What can I do for you? Hi, good morning. My electric motor is not quite recovering. Can you fix that? Oh, sure, ma'am. We can check and repair your motor. Thank you so much.
Let's inspect the motor carefully to find the problem.
The bearing is worn out, we need to replace it.
Okay, make sure the repair is follow safety and quality standards.
We also sell motor consumable like bearings, carbon brushes, and lubricants. That sounds good.
Hey bro, what's happening in there? How's that? Is it good? Yeah. Okay. What time is it?
Friday.
Friday. What? What did you say? Okay.
Hey everyone, good teamwork, quality service, make customer trust our company. Good job!
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Coming!
Sir, we have a problem.
What's the problem?
I'm sorry, sir. You accidentally damaged the motor during the operation.
Replace the motor and repair today.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Why?
Motor?
No.
Why? Motor. So, this motor.
Then today, we will perform preventive maintenance on this motor.
Please wear safety gloves and follow safety procedure.
Before doing any kind of operation, I have to check first the wiring connection. So, I see right there the problem.
I will lubricate the motor bearing.
Okay. Yes, we did it.
You win,
bro.
Nice!
Nice.
Nice job, team! Finish the maintenance on time.
Okay, sir.
Congrats. We store our motor parts properly to maintain quality.
Good quality parts reduce costs in the future. We recommended high-quality motor oils and bearings to extend warranty.
Thank you for the professional service.
This is high quality motor bearing used for industrial motor.
Quality parts improve motor.
Welcome to our industrial motor company. We provide the motor repair and motor consumables. Our goal is to provide reliable service and build long-term partnership.